Hello, good afternoon. Today is January 17, 2022. It's Monday and a winter snowstorm. Of course, the road is dangerous to drive, so I'm not working today. So I have time to cook a little simple food that I hope you would like it. Let's go to the kitchen. So here we have 2 chicken breasts. I already washed and pat dry with paper towel, and we're going to use shake and bake bread crumbs. So chicken bake, we need to use a foil. Let's do it. And I also prepared, instead of foil, we're using a parchment paper for the paper, and we're setting 400 degrees. So ito na, I put that, pour the chicken shake and bake breadcrumbs, and we're going to put this one, and you can shake it. If your bag is big enough, then you can put them together. This is 2 chicken breasts, and make it sure that you're going to cut a slit, so especially on the thick parts, so we can cook easily. Okay, I'm gonna lock the bag. And we're gonna shake it. Until evenly coated. There you go. We're done shaking. We're well coated, and we're gonna transfer into our prepared baking pan. It's nicely coated chicken breast.
She said, "What are you doing outside in this kind of weather?"
And don't forget, we cannot keep this extra. We need to throw it out. Now we're going to put in the oven, and we're going to bake for 40 degrees. And because our chicken breasts have bone, we're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. And because I'm a Filipina, I cook rice, white rice. And we're Filipino, like a balanced diet or food. So means we have and must have a vegetable. So I have here pumpkin cut up, and beans cut up in a bite size, and a little bit of pork with a little bit of fats. But if you don't like fats, you can just take it off the fats and just use the meat. But I like to use fats to cook, to fry. And of course, we have a minced garlic and a diced onion. And we're going to use some seasoning, Maggi seasoning, for the taste of our vegetable. So we're going to heat the pan, and we're going to put that pork. We don't need to add oil into the pan. Just use this one because there's a fats in there, and we can use that to fry. See, you fry until golden brown and discard some fat. So I already take off some of the fat, so we can add the garlic. And stir it. Look at that. It's nice color. Again, if you don't like fats, you can use lean meat. And I'm using pork and slices into thin, just to add the level up with the vegetable. Okay. Now we can add this onion. I cut bigger, dice the onion, so to add the uniform of those vegetables, how big is it. So it's up to you. You want to dice, you want mince, it's up to you how you're going to prepare your dish. Now we can add the pumpkin. Pumpkin is a bit hard, so we cook the pumpkin first. Okay. I cut it in cubes and just a bite size. Right, give it a stir. I like the bright color of this. And besides, pumpkin is healthy. And it's a vitamin, and it helps your vitamin A. Okay. And I have here some vegetable broth, so I can add this one after. So we're going to put the lid on and we cook a little bit. Okay, now we can add our beans. First, we need to stir. Give it a stir. And our beans. There you go. And we're putting this Knorr seasoning. You can buy this into the grocery store. And our vegetable broth. And simmer it until it cooks. The lid on. And in a medium fire. Okay, so I have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, because I want the vegetable to be like, it's not so, I want a little bit texture. So I'm going to dissolve this in cold water. I'm gonna add this last before we're going to serve the 1 minute before we're going to serve the vegetable. I'm going to add this, and you can see the difference later. Smells good. It's make my tummy's hungry. almost done, but we still have to wait our chicken to be cooked. So we can lower the heat in a small fire and check our chicken. Let me see. It's looking good. Can't wait. I like my vegetables still crispy, but it's cooked. I don't want to turn into green or yellow color, so I like the green and the orange bright. And here our cornstarch dissolved into cold water. So because the soup is so diluted, and it's also okay if you want like that, but I'm gonna add a little bit of this so the texture of the gravy will be thicker. Here's my customer waiting for his meal, but he need to wait. Okay, before we forgot, we need to stir this so we'll evenly spread the cornstarch. And that's it. It's all done. Look, the gravy is thickened and it's nice color. And it's not only that, it smells good. I hope it will taste good too. Okay, we need to wait for the chicken, and our rice is also done. We're just waiting for the chicken. And here's our meal for today. This is chicken breast. Look how tender is it. And it's nice looking. Take a closer look. And our vegetable, pumpkin and beans, and the rice, and orange juice. Okay, so I hope you love this meal that I prepared for you today. And let's enjoy while the snow still lots of there. Okay, bon appetit. I hope you have enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to click and subscribe for our channel. If I have time, I'm gonna upload again a new video. And thank you. Here's my customer. He's ready for his meal.
Mozzarella.